नमस्कार, वेलकम टू मातृ एकेडमी। आज हम इस सीरीज़ में आगे बढ़ते हैं चैप्टर 8 की तरफ, जिसका हेडिंग है प्लांट मेटाबॉलिज्म। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं प्लांट मेटाबॉलिज्म के शॉर्ट नोट्स विद द वेरियस क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन डिफरेंट एग्जाम्स। Peter Michael in 1961 gave chemoosmotic hypothesis to explain the process of ATP formation in plants in both respiration and photosynthesis, that is in mitochondria or in chloroplast. Peter Michael chemiosmotic theory 1961 deals with ATP synthesis. Question asked in ICR JRF 2001. One molecule of glucose contains 686 kilocalorie of energy, and on respiration it gives 673.6 kilocalorie of energy, and the rest is lost as heat. One ATP molecule gives 7.6 kilocalorie energy. ATP was discovered by Lohmann in Germany and Friske and Saburo in USA in 1929 in the extracts of skeletal muscles. In the breakdown of ATP to ADP plus inorganic phosphate, 7.6 kilocalorie energy is liberated. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2003. For the formation of one ATP molecule from ADP and inorganic phosphate, 7.6 kilocalorie energy is required. Also, for the synthesis of one hexose molecule from carbon dioxide, 673 kilocalorie energy is required. For the formation of one NADPH2 molecule from NADPH plus hydrogen plus, 52 kilocalorie energy is required. 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalorie energy and 1 gram of carbohydrate gives 4 kilocalorie energy. Respiration involving carbohydrates as the respiratory substrate is known as floating respiration. Also, where proteins are used as substrate, that kind of respiration is known as protoplasmic respiration. In prokaryotes, one NADPH2 gives 3 ATP molecules, while in eukaryotes, one NADPH2 molecules gives 2 ATP molecules. Anaerobic and aerobic respiration produces carbon dioxide in the ratio of 1:3. In anaerobic breakdown of one glucose molecule, how many ATP molecules are produced? That is 2. Question asked in IARI 2003. Anaerobic respiration pathway products are ethanol and lactic acid. Cytochrome is used in respiration. Question asked in ICR JRF 2001. Sour taste of milk is due to the lactic acid formation. Substrate of aldolase enzyme is fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase. That is question asked in ICR JRF 2003. Net ATP molecule synthesized outside mitochondria through respiration is 2. Oxidation of 10 reduced NAD molecules require 10 molecules of oxygen. Energy released upon hydrolysis of certain creatinine phosphate is more than that of ATP. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used in the alcoholic fermentation. The most common anaerobic metabolism is that of pyruvate. Question asked in IRI 2003. Respiration in plants consists of glycolysis, Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. Normal respiration or dark respiration occurs in all cells at all the time in plants. Phosphofructokinase and pyruvate kinase have got similarity in the sense that they both consume ATP. Question asked in ARS NET 2001. Then the respiratory quotient RQ for carbohydrate is 1, for fats is less than 1, for acetic acid is 1, for organic acid is greater than 1, for the germinating seeds containing fatty acid is less than 1, maturing seeds containing fatty acid is greater than 1, succulents के लिए 0 as no carbon dioxide evolution take place from then. Sites of various cellular processes. Question asked many times in ICR JRF 2001, 2003, 4, 5. Glycolysis. The site is cytoplasm or cytosol. Electron transport system in the inner surface of inner membrane of mitochondria. TCA, tricarboxylic acid cycle or Krebs cycle. The site is in matrix of mitochondria. Then again we move to the glycolysis or EMP pathway. Glycolysis is also called as EMP pathway, Embden-Meyerhof-Paranas pathway. Question asked in ICAR JRF 99. Glycolysis involves the conversion of glucose to pyruvate. Question asked in ICAR JRF 1995. Formation of acetyl coenzyme A involves decarboxylation of pyruvate. How many enzymes are involved in the glycolysis cycle for converting glucose molecule into pyruvate acid? The answer is 10. Question asked in ARS NET 2011. All intermediates of glycolysis are negatively charged. The end product of glycolysis is pyruvic acid or pyruvate. The question asked in ICAR JRF ARS 2007. Produce total ATP 10, net ATP 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 ATP per glucose molecule. Glycolysis result in 8 ATP molecules. So if ask the net ATP, then it is 8, then the total ATP it is 10. The formation of ATP when PEP converted to pyruvate is known as substrate level phosphorylation. Question asked in ARS 2007. Then again move to the Krebs cycle or TCA cycle. TCA cycle occurs in mitochondrial matrix. Question asked in exam. The 2-carbon compound acetyl coenzyme is the connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Question asked in ICAR, JRF and ARS. In TCA cycle, the last product is oxaloacetate. It is a question asked in ICAR, JRF. Krebs cycle and glycolytic pathway can be studied with the help of a radioactive element C14. Then move to the PDH complex, pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. This complex involves 3 enzymes. This question asked many times कि pyruvate dehydrogenase में कितने enzyme होते हैं? The answer is 3. Pyruvate decarboxylase, dihydrolipomamide transferase, dihydrolipomide dehydrogenase. And इसमें 3 enzymes होते हैं, 5 coenzymes are present, that is TPP, LPP, NAD, FAD and COASH. Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex require TPP, thymine pyrophosphate, for its activity, thus show impaired activity in case of vitamin B1 deficiency. Lipoate is a coenzyme of pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, alpha keto acid dehydrogenase and alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. For the conversion of pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A, NAD plus is reduced. So produce 3 NADH in complete cycle, 1 FADH2, 1 GTP, 3 ATP. A total of 38 ATP in prokaryotes and 36 ATPs in eukaryotes. So remember, number of NADH produced in Krebs cycle is 3. So in glycolysis, the total ATP 10, net ATP 8. In the Krebs cycle, the total ATP 38 ATP in prokaryotes and 36 ATPs in eukaryotes. 8 molecules of water are evolved in 2 cycles of Krebs cycles. Question asked in IRI. In oxidative phosphorylation by glycolysis and Krebs cycle, efficiency of respiration is 40%. 36 or 38 molecules are produced from 1 glucose molecule. On the breakdown of 1 glucose molecule into carbon dioxide and water, 3 molecules of water are produced. 1 from pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A and 2 from the TCA cycle. Common oxidative pathway for protein, fatty acid and carbohydrate is TCA cycle. Avidin blocked the conversion of pyruvate to oxaloacetate. Question asked in ICAR JRF 99. Next is the electron transport chain, ETS. The process of beta oxidation and TCA cycle take place in the mitochondrial matrix. Electron transport change in the inner surface of inner membrane of mitochondria and glycolysis take place in the cytosol. This question asked many times in ARS 2007. So you must remember the beta oxidation and TCA cycle take place in mitochondrial matrix. ETS, electron transport change in inner surface of inner membrane of mitochondria, and the glycolysis take place in the cytosol or cytoplasm. ETC occurs in the inner surface of inner mitochondria. Question asked in ICR JRF 1995. Again you can see here, at the terminal end of cytochrome chain, molecular oxygen pick up 4 electron and extracts 4 hydrogen from the medium to form a water molecule. The final receptor of electron in electron transport system is oxygen. Question asked in ICR JRF exam. ATP formation take place when at the step of ETC, where the difference between the energy level of electron donor and electron acceptor is 0.28 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट और मोर. ये जब ATP फॉर्मेशन में जब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का आदान प्रदान होता है तो इसके लिए हमारे जो है दोनों ही उसके बीच में एनर्जी डिफरेंस होना पड़ता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर के बीच में, ताकि मेम्ब्रेन ग्रेडियंट पोटेंशियल क्रिएट हो सके. तो दैट इज़ 0.28 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. साइटोक्रोम्स आर इलेक्ट्रॉन कैरियर्स इन्वॉल्व इन द रेस्पिरेटरी इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन. Kanamycin as an inhibitor of ETS. Then malate aspartate shuttle. If malate shuttle is used, the complete oxidation of one glucose molecule yield 38 ATPs. Question asked in ICR JRF. Efficiency of respiration. The efficiency of respiration for oxidative phosphorylation is 40%. In anaerobic respiration, 2 ATP molecule per glucose molecule are produced, so efficiency is 29.2%. In alcoholic fermentation, 2 ATP molecule per glucose molecule are produced, so efficiency is 27.2%. The enzyme which is substrate inducible is phosphofructokinase. Then next is the glyoxylate cycle, occurs in glyoxysome. Fats are converted into carbohydrates, produce 2 NADH and 1 FADH2. A total of 8 ATP from 2 acetyl coenzyme A molecule is produced. Isocitrate lyase and malate synthase are the 2 typical enzymes. Next is hexose monophosphate pathway HMP, operates in meristematic tissue. In HMP pathway, for every 6 molecules of glucose, 5 molecules of glucose are produced back and 1 glucose molecule is oxidized back to produce 6 carbon dioxide and 12 NADPH2. Thus a total of 36 ATP molecules generated. So in glyoxylate cycle, total 8 ATP molecule generated, and in the HMP pathway, total 36 ATP of molecules is generated. Next, move to the urea cycle. Urea cycle requires 3 ATP molecules. Urea cycle take place in both mitochondria and cytosol. Fumarate formed in urea cycle links urea cycle to citric acid cycle. Urea is formed from ammonia, carbon dioxide and aspartate in a cyclic pathway known as urea cycle. This cycle was discovered by Krebs and Henseleit, so also called Krebs-Henseleit cycle. So many times question asked that the urea cycle is also called Krebs-Henseleit cycle. Urea cycle occurs in hepatocytes, that is liver cells. The byproduct of urea cycle is fumarate, urea and ornithine. Question asked in TRS 2013. Precursor of tryptophan is phosphoenol pyruvate and erythrose 4-phosphate. Question asked in the ICR JRF 99, IRI 2005. Shikimic acid pathway is related with biosynthesis of aromatic amino acids. Ketone bodies are acetate, acetone and beta hydroxybutyrate produced in kidney and liver when fats take leading role in metabolism in the absence of carbohydrate. Glycerol is obtained from hydrogenation of acid. Question asked in ICR JRF 2003. The fatty acid degradation pathway which helps in the synthesis of waxes is W oxidation. Fatty acid breakdown occurs in cytosol of prokaryotes and in mitochondrial matrix of eukaryotes. Beta oxidation takes place in mitochondria. Question asked in ICR JRF 2003. Then the protein glycosylation, attachment of carbohydrate or oligosaccharide to proteins. There are two types. O-linked oligosaccharides with serine, threonine occurs in Golgi complex, and linked nitrogen-linked oligosaccharide with asparagine, further of two types. Core glycolysation occurs in rough endoplasmic reticulum and terminal glycosylation occurs in Golgi complex. Then the nucleotide metabolism. Maximum number of ring atoms in purine synthesis is contributed by glycine. Question asked in ICR JRF 1999. The first product of purine nucleotide biosynthesis that contains a complete purine ring is IMP. Question asked in TIRS NET 2001-2018. In purine, adenine and guanine synthesis, maximum nitrogen, that is N9 and N3, are contributed by amide group of glutamine, while in pyrimidine synthesis, that is the cytosine, uracil and thymine, N1, C4, C5 and 6 are contributed by aspartic acid and N3 is contributed by glutamine. Catabolism of purines lead to uric acid formation, and that of pyrimidine leads to the formation of beta alanine and beta amino isobutyric acid. Move to some match of the following when many times asked from as a question, that is in cytochrome oxidase which element is present? Copper. Carbonic anhydrase में zinc, nitrogenase में molybdenum, arginase में manganese and glutathione peroxidase में selenium. Then cytochrome में ferrous, cytochrome oxidase में copper, alcohol dehydrogenase में zinc and phosphatase में manganese. Then about the biotin, it is the 1 carbon compound. Lipoate में acyl group present होता है. NADH is a electron, FAD is a hydride and TPP is a aldehyde. कोएंजाइम A में acyl group present होता है, NAD में hydride ions होते हैं and कोएंजाइम B12 में hydrogen atom and alkyl groups are present. ATP is the energy currency of cell. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. Ethanol used in fermentation. Starch is a storage polysaccharide and pyruvic acid is the product of glycolysis. It is also important and many times asked in the examination. In the urease, nickel is present. In cytochrome oxidase, copper is present. In arginase, manganese is present. In hexokinase, magnesium is acting as a cofactor and in a catalase, ferrous is present. These are the important, you can note down here. So students, these all are the short notes about the plant metabolism. So let's subscribe and like my channel so we get motivated to make new videos for you. अब हम जल्दी ही नए चैप्टर्स के साथ और उसके शॉर्ट नोट्स के साथ आपके पास आएंगे ताकि आपके एग्ज़ाम की जो प्रिपरेशन वो पूरी सीरीज़ के साथ कंप्लीट सके एंड यू नेवर मिस अ सिंगल क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स हेल्ड ऑन 3 जुलाई एंड स्टे ट्यून टू यू. हम जल्दी ही मिलते हैं अपने नए चैप्टर के शॉर्ट नोट्स से. ओके, थैंक यू.